Hello guys, gonna make a quick little comparison between the old hybrid of cordless ratchet and the new one, which is brushless. It hasn't hit my local Walmart yet. I got the old one a couple days back, and when I checked the Walmart website, they just came out with the new one, which is brushless. So before I used it, I just went ahead and ordered it. I'm gonna do a quick little comparison. Let's see, I still haven't opened it. I opened the old one. This is what it comes with. Ratchet, 1.5 lithium-ion battery pack, and two 10mm sockets. Here's the old one. After this video, I'll just go ahead and return it. I couldn't find any videos online about the new one, so anyone who wants to make a decision between the old one and new one, this could be helpful. Okay, charger and the sockets should be inside. Go ahead and open the new one. Oh, this is a new one, by the way. The charger looks different, Type-C charger. Also comes with the same battery, 1.5. Okay. Here's the ratchet. Let's see the difference. And the battery. Here's the old battery with the circle plug. New one. Oh, what's this? Oh, well, look. It has a battery life indicator on the battery, which is really nice. And here's the Type-C. Okay, side-by-side comparison. This red accent is missing from the new one. Here's from the front. The light. This is the one on the left is the old one on the right is the new one. I don't know, maybe a new one is brighter. Who knows? And the lock unlock feature, the button seems to be the same. Letters are different, and the charging in the battery life indicator on the old one was closer to the trigger. On the new one, a little bit moved to the side. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in. One. Oh man, I already can tell the difference. This one feels much faster, smoother. It's really smooth. Old one. And the battery life indicator is really bright. You can see. Man, this is much louder, better motor. Definitely seems to be better. And one thing I noticed as well, the new one, the one with the brushless motor, comes with 3-year warranty, and the old one comes with 2-year warranty. Definitely that's a plus, but I would definitely keep the receipt for that. So when I was trying to make this decision to look buy the new one, I couldn't find the video. I'll post this online on YouTube. Maybe it'll help you guys. Let me know. I'm a diesel mechanic. I'll use this every day basically. We'll see how it holds up. If you guys want to see, maybe I can post a video of it a couple months later, see how it's holding up. Definitely will love to use this thing. See you guys. Bye bye.